Hello, have you ever thought about how many people come to work on a daily basis who experience some kind of fear? This could be fear of failure, making a mistake, losing the job, conflict, public speaking, criticism, rejection, overwork, being perceived weak, learning something new, asking for help, losing face in front of others, being wrong, or not being good enough. Have you ever experienced any of it? You are not alone. It is completely normal to feel fearful, and you can learn to notice thoughts that don't serve you and reframe them into better feeling thoughts. Anxiety is a human response that we experience when we are under a lot of pressure or stress, or when we put too much emphasis on an event that hasn't even happened yet. Everyone feels nervous at times, and practicing techniques that will help you to feel more in control is very powerful. Here's a memorable quote that I heard a long time ago at Toastmasters when I was really nervous before giving a speech. Mastering fear doesn't mean getting rid of butterflies in your stomach. It means teaching them to fly in formation. Here are 3 practical tips. Number 1, shift focus. Challenging situations will make you mentally stronger. What if you shifted your focus on what could go right rather than what could go wrong? Number 2, meaning. What's the worst that can happen? Fear can also stand for face everything and rise. This is a good reminder to practice courageous behaviors and improve your skills. Number 3, deep breathing. Exhale fear, inhale courage. Deep breathing will help you to think better. Having said this, if you work in an environment where bullying and belittling behavior is accepted, don't wait another day to explore your options. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.